Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Turno Hosts Vacation Rental Management app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Turno Hosts is a vacation rental management app designed to help Airbnb and short-term rental owners automate their cleaning schedules and manage turnover operations more efficiently. It connects directly with booking platforms like Airbnb, Vrbo, and Booking.com, syncing your reservations to automatically schedule cleanings between guest stays. The app is available on both iOS and Android, making it easy for hosts and property managers to keep their rentals guest-ready at all times. The app's main feature is its automated cleaning scheduler, which eliminates the need for manual coordination by assigning cleaning tasks based on guest check-ins and check-outs. Hosts can track cleaning progress in real time, view before and after photos, and communicate directly with cleaners through the in-app messaging system. Turno Hosts also helps manage multiple properties, automate cleaner payments, and maintain quality standards with customizable checklists. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Turno Hosts for its automation, calendar syncing, and ease of managing multiple cleaners. The ability to integrate with major booking platforms saves time and reduces errors, while the communication tools ensure every property is cleaned and ready before the next guest arrives. Property managers also like the ability to verify cleaner performance with photos and timestamps. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users have reported occasional syncing issues between the app and booking platforms, especially when multiple accounts are linked. The initial setup process can also feel a bit complex for beginners, and a few advanced reporting features are available only in the premium version. Additionally, cleaner payments may take time depending on the connected payment platform. In summary, the Turno Hosts app may be worth using if you manage multiple short-term rentals and want a reliable way to automate cleaning schedules, track progress, and coordinate with your cleaning team. However, if you manage only one or two properties or prefer manual oversight, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.